Hey guys, today I thought I'd do a quick tutorial on how to get Codeigniter installed on your system and up and running. First thing you're going to want to have to do is, if you're using a Windows operating system, you're going to want to make sure that you have a WAMP server installed, and just go ahead and run that, because you won't be able to see any kind of PHP code unless you're using a local server like WAMP. Next step is go to codeigniter.com, click download to download the zipped version of Codeigniter. You're going to want to extract that. I've already done it. You're pretty much just going to want to copy all the information from in there to a folder within your root directory on your computer. So I'm just going to paste that information into here. Now that it's done, all this information is located within my tutorials Codeigniter. If I open this up, as you can see, all this information is in here. Let's go ahead and give it a test. We'll go to localhost, tutorials, Codeigniter, and it says welcome to Codeigniter, and it's working. And that is literally how you install Codeigniter to work on your system.